Hello Myntra Beauty fam, hope you guys are having a great start of your day. I am Mandvi Singh and I'm a skincare and beauty content creator here on YouTube, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this cloud skin makeup look. It's basically a soft matte makeup look which is long lasting and it's gonna be perfect for the summertime. All the products that I'm using to create this super trendy makeup look are available at Myntra Beauty section on the app, where they have all my favorite beauty brands with a huge variety of products. I will leave links in the description box for all the products used in today's video, so let's begin. I've applied my skincare. Now I'm using the Plum Prep Set Go Face Primer. I'm applying it on my T-zone and my forehead. It helps to minimize the pores on your skin and gives your skin that soft, blurred look which we want for cloud skin makeup. It also helps to make your makeup last longer. I will leave the link for this primer in my description box. Now for cloud skin, we use a foundation which gives matte finish, and for that I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation in shade Cashew. I usually mix my foundation with 1 drop of oil and MAC Strobe cream to give that extra glowy look to my skin, but cloud skin is exactly the opposite. It includes using more matte finish products, and this foundation has medium to full coverage and it gives that soft matte look to your skin. It truly lasts you the whole day without melting on your skin. You can find this foundation on Myntra app. I will link it in my description box. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in shade Beige, a little bit under my eyes, not a lot, and on my nose bridge. Blend, blend, blend. What I love about this concealer, it not only covers the darkness under my eyes but also gives a brightening effect, which I love. Now to finish the cloud skin base, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light to blur the skin even more to give it softer look. So I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, on my nose, and around the area where I get more oil, around my chin area where I have oily skin, and also on my smile lines. And I have an oily T-zone, so I'm gonna set my nose with this powder so it doesn't get oily and the foundation on my nose lasts longer. I have long filming days and I do a lot of talking, and this cloud skin base lasts me whole day and still look this fresh by the evening. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette. I got this from Myntra app, and I'm using the shade Loyal in my crease. Now I'm using the shade Memories all over my lid. I'm doing a very soft nudish brownish makeup look. I love how affordable this eyeshadow palette is, and you can do so many diverse looks like smoky eye using these brown shades, and nude makeup, also this vibrant pink eye makeup. Now I'm going to be finishing this very simple 2-minute eye look using the Plum Matte Eyeliner. I don't know about you guys, I've been doing my makeup for years, but I still get so scared while doing my eyeliner because I know अगर ये थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर हुआ, पूरा makeup look बेकार हो जाता है. Now to finish off this eye look, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Trust me, after this you wouldn't need false lashes. It gives a lot of volume and I've been using it for years. It's my holy grail mascara. Now I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 5. I'm happy that thick eyebrows are back in trend because when I was younger, like very thin eyebrows were in trend and I hated my brows, but now I love them because I just have to barely fill them in and they look good to go. Now I'm using Benefit Hoola Bronzer to add that warmth back to my skin. I love how flattering it is on Indian skin tones. Applying bronzer on your chin really helps. And now I'm gonna make my round nose appear slimmer using this bronzer like this. And now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Mono Blush in shade Proud. It's a soft matte pink shade which flatters Indian skin tones. Look at this, how pretty. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit onto my cheeks. I love how subtle this looks. Usually I use cream blushes for that glowy look, but for cloud skin you gotta use your powder based blushes, and this shade is giving this softer look to my cheeks. I'm doing very simple everyday minimal makeup look. You can wear this going to your office. It will only take 10 minutes in the morning, and for the summer time it's gonna last you for the whole day. Lastly, to finish this soft matte skin makeup look, I'm gonna be using MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in shade Mull It Over. The packaging of this lipstick is also matte. and it gives a velvety finish on the lips. Let me show you. It's also very hydrating on lips. And now I'm gonna change my earrings. I feel these look better. I think I'm also gonna add this pearl necklace. It's my mom's. You can take this day makeup look into night makeup by using the glitter shades. I'm using the shade Bliss, and it gives a smoky eye look effect, which is perfect for the nighttime. And this is the finished Cloud Skin soft matte makeup look. I love how dreamy and ethereal it looks. I've added links for all the products used in today's video in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more such amazing content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.